Edexcel C1 2014, question 3. Looking at the questions, we've got inequalities. Find the set of values of x for which. So the first one is linear, the second one is quadratic, and the third one is the intersection of those two. So this one becomes, add the 7 over becomes 10, add the x over becomes 4x, is bigger than 10, so x is bigger than 10 over 4, i.e. x is bigger than 5 over 2. Rearranging this one, x squared minus 9x, take away 36, is less than or equal to 0. Now we've obviously got a quad, that factorizes to x minus 12 and x plus 3. So sketching the graph of this one, we have intersections at x equals 12 and x equals minus 3. It's a positive quadratic, so it does something like this. That's the curve y equals x squared minus 9x minus 36. And so if this quadratic is less than or equal to 0, that's the same as y is less than or equal to 0, this one. And y is less than 0 down here, which is especially for this graph, is that bit of the graph. And we get that bit of the graph when x is between the minus 3 and the 12. So put x between the minus 3 and the 12, and put the inequalities in, pointing to the small numbers. So that's the answer to part B. And part C, for both of them, let's think about the number line. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 over 2 is somewhere in the middle, 4, and so on, until we get to 11 and then 12, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this inequality, because we can have 3 and 12, we would fill in the circles. This one, x is bigger than 5 over 2. We would not fill in the circle. And we want the parts where the first inequality is true, so x is bigger than 5 over 2. And we want the second one to be true, so the quadratic is less than 0 or equal to 0. So where these overlap is the part that we want. So for part C, we want 5 over 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 12. And there we have 7 nice and straightforward marks.